a significant development at the Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG, City of David Parish, Region 20, Victoria Island, Lagos. Pastor Idowu Iluyomade has been evicted, with Pastor Kayode Pitan stepping in as the new pastor at the flamboyant Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG, City of David Parish. Pastor Idowu Iluyomade has been moved to RCCG Throne of Grace, Ebute Metta, Lagos, which serves as the headquarters of the mission. This transfer was officially confirmed on Sunday, June 2, during the monthly Thanksgiving service held across all RCCG branches worldwide. Senior RCCG figures such as retired National Overseer Pastor Obayemi, Pastor Johnson Odesola, and Region 9 leader, Pastor Pandel were present at City of David to implement these changes. Siju Iluyomade, lawyer, pastor and founder of the Arise Women Foundation and the Handmaidens Women in Leadership series, got tongues wagging after her colorful 60th birthday on Sunday, February 18, 2024. Siju, who is the wife of the pastor of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, City of David, Victoria Island, Lagos, Idowu Iluyomade, celebrated the milestone age with flair as distinguished guests, including billionaires and monarchs, were on hand to rejoice with her at the party, which took place at the Eco Hotels and Suites, Victoria Island, Lagos. At the lavish birthday party in February, Siju got tongues wagging when a popular singer, Flavor Enabanya, serenaded her with his hit songs, such as Ada Ada, Berna, and Adama. Some netizens questioned the presence of a secular singer at a party hosted by a pastor. This was even as some expressed displeasure at Iluyomade's holding such a lavish party barely weeks after the tragic deaths of a prominent member of their church, Herbert Wigwe, his wife, Chizoba, and their first, Chizu. The death of Dr. Herbert Wigwe along with his wife and son, has been variously described as a monumental loss. It was such a sad and an unfortunate event that many considered it an extraordinary misfortune. But it was while people were still trying to come to terms with the fact that the tragedy actually happened, Dr. Siju Iluyomade organized a lavish party to commemorate her 60th birthday. Siju is the wife of the pastor of the City of David Parish of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG, where Herbert Wigwe and his family worshipped all his life. A church which he was a pillar of support till his very tragic end.